Kathryn Hills here from the EUP-ISD Lifespan program. Today we are going to be making a Michigan Harvest of the Month recipe, tomato cabbage soup. This recipe calls for chicken broth, or you could use water and chicken bouillon cube. I chose to use some purple and green cabbage in this soup. I'm going to chop up my onion and my cabbage. All right, we've been simmering this soup for about 30 minutes now, and we're gonna give it a try. Very good flavor, perfect for a cold winter evening. Hope you give it a try.